Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel UPBGE. Today I'm going to show you about an experiment I've done recently. This is the car experiment. I made a car by using a simple logic brick and some sometime I add the Python, but it's for short. You can make it. It doesn't hard to learn. Okay, I've just this Python script. That was it. Alright, let me show you by play simulator. Okay, okay, on the left side of the screen, this is for UPBGE version 0.36. Alright, and I also have for Blender 2.79 on the right side of the screen, and I'm going to show you. Okay, in UPBG version 0.36. Alright, so I used Python for control acceleration of suspension and speed of the car. Alright, as you can see, when I press W and I leave the W, the car still moving and slow down at the end. Alright, okay, go back. Okay, go ahead to Blender 2.79. Okay, so this version I used the same way. Okay, with the same Python. Now we have the same result. So I can tell you that this Python we can use in Blender 2.79 and UPBGE 0.36. Okay, alright. Okay, recently I implement for UPBGE for UPBGE 0.36. I implement this experiment to add some material about my school bus. Okay, let me see. Okay, now as you can see, you can make a body of your car and you can parent to this body. Okay, so if you want to see the logic big, okay, alright, logic breaks. I think it's quite a you quite get confusing. You quite get confused. Sorry. Look at their logic. I think you get confused. Alright, try to play for a while. I think there are a little issue, a little glitch, but you can try for yourself. Okay, when you try, and if there are some issue, there are some problem, you can comment, and I will find a way to fix it. Okay, I want to share for you. Okay, alright. For any explanation, I want to explain you. Okay, alright, one thing you have to know about this experiment, I think is quite complex, because if you notice my logic, you will understand that everything begin with body object. Okay, this is the main object, this is the main logic. Now you can see this object, I connect a clause to another, such as this body, I connect a clause to their wheel. Alright, their wheels, you can see the connection. Alright, so I did it because if I have to make more than one, when I going to make game like Grand Theft Auto. Okay, let's try to select this to see the car is moved or not. Okay, that car still move. Oh, this is the issue, a little problem. Alright, so I hope you enjoy from my video and play my experiment by yourself. So see you next time. Bye.